how to change language on your Netflix app on PC or Mac. So I'm on a Mac, but it's going to be the same if you're on a computer, just a regular PC as well. So to go by the language and change it, all you have to do is go to the drop down menu over here at the right side of your screen, and you want to click Manage Profiles. So once that loads up, you want to pick the profile that you want to change the language to. You can do this for all of the users, but you can do it specifically for a user as well. So we're just going to go ahead and pick the user that I want to change the language in, and you want to go to your preferences and go to language. So once you're here, what you can do is I have English chosen, but what you can do is hit a second language. So I'm just going to hit Spanish here. And then to have this permanent and to change over, what you can do is you can go to the display language here. And as you see, I have it chosen for English. You can go ahead and change this to Spanish. And then you can come down here and unclick English. So then from this point forward, your audio, your subtitles, and your display language will all be Spanish or whatever language you choose. It will permanently be there. And then you would come down here and hit save. And that's it. Very simple, very easy to change your language for a specific user, or you can do it for all of the users on your Netflix account.